afternoon, guys, in our new video. Today I have a short trip to another city in Spain. It's called Malaga. I will have 3 hours of the free time, and during this period of time I want to record for you some very valuable videos. So stay tuned till the end and let's start.
So the topic of our today's training vlog will be MQL5 signals, but a little bit different signals. We never spoke about them before. So let me give you like a short preview. In the beginning of every month, I'm doing the research of the best signals from MQL5 website. I'm creating some portfolio. I can create it for you, for my clients, and also I'm using that for myself. And to do that and to make it easier for me, I have some Excel file. I'm doing parsing, so I'm taking all the information from MQL5 website, putting information in this file, and it's making me easier this kind of research, And there, in the new version of this file, by the way, you can take this file, the link will be in the description of this video, I add some overall statistic of this website. And there is some point like a price. What does it mean, price? When we want to use or to copy some signal provider, we need to pay subscription fees. 70% of all signal providers of this website putting price from $30 to $35. But more than 10% of the service providers, they are putting price for more than $100. And I was really shocked when I saw there are some signals with price like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, and it's make me so, like, in some point it's very weird, but it's make me interested why they are charging this much money. Are they really confident in their services, or the level is so nice? So let's find out. When we're participating in the Forex business and industry as investor or as a traders, we have our own cost or expenses. This is the spreads what we are paying for the Forex broker companies, commission, swaps, some people including even potential slippage. When we are using bots, we are also paying some for the developers, or we need to have a VPS, and there is the question which kind of VPS we should choose for $3, for $30, maybe for $150. Also, when we're using MQL5 signals, we should pay some money for it, for subscription. And the question is it better to pay like $35 or better to pay this $300 for the signal provider? It will be better or no? So all these points, they are costing, like they are calling cost effectiveness or price for the value. We are paying this much money if we will get better value or no. Let me give you the example with the Forex broker companies. Let's say in Dubai, for a long time there was very popular 2 broker companies. Even it was the most famous, maybe even you never hear about them, but this is Nur Capital and DSS. Why they was so popular? Because they had a local license from the National Bank of UAE, and all people that was in UAE, they was trusting for them so much. They was getting big deposits, 1 million, 2 million, because people was confident in safety or of their funds. But in the same time, they was charging the higher spread in the market, from all competitors that was in this area, they was charging the higher spread. And for my personal opinion, there was no point to trade there, because there was a lot of the good also and safety broker companies, with the better condition, because in the end, spreads making big impact on your result. When we will talk about MQL5 signals, and I will show you my research, but I want to give you one more example with the watches, because for some period of time I start being interested into the watch industry, and I found some of the watches, they are even expensive one, but they are giving you super big like value for the price. And some of them, let's say like a brand calling Hublot, they are selling everything like with the luxury life. If you are wearing them, these watches, you are like it's totally different category of the people. But inside, the mechanism is very cheap. They are taking the mechanism from $1,000 watch and selling them for 20K. So this is what we need like to find out today. These kind of signals, they're trying to sell us their services for even $5,000. Worth it? Or this is just a scam and we need to leave it. So let's go to my laptop, to our trip, and find out. So guys, here a little bit crowded, but anyway, even here I will be able to explain you something weird stuff when I saw an MQL5 website. So we are right now on this website. Let's go for the section with the signals. We can see here for MT5, and there is the prices: $30, $40, $30 per month. Let's go for MT4. Again, like $30 per month, $200. But let us do something. I will filter them, make it like a list, and then price. Even some of the signals starting from $20, but to be honest, if you are new and you want to post your own signal, you could put lowest price that you can put, $30. But let's do another kind of sorting, and you can see exactly signals. Some of the signals asking for $5,000, $5,000, $2,000, $3,000, and I was very surprised for those kind of prices. I mean, people or providing high quality services, product signals, or they're too much confident in their services. So let's go to my Excel file. This is the parsing that I'm doing every month. If you want to get this kind of file, you can easily take it for $10 per month. The link will be in the description to this video. Let's go for the price. In general statistic for all prices, we can see exactly, yes, that mostly signals 72% posting with $35.
Okay.
But some of them, we can see exactly that almost not 10% putting prices more than $100. Let's go for all MQL5 signals, and I will like filter out by the price. We will put greater than, let's say, $900. It's already a high price, you know, but let us put little, or maybe not even put, I don't know, maybe $500. Done. And you know, I was really shocked when I check how many signals, how many of them posting with this high price. But we'll easily change it, you know, but doing some small filtration. So first of all, stream weeks. Let's go there, and number filters greater than at least 30. So it's almost 1 year they are streaming their signals in MQL5 signals. Done. Then trades per week. I'm recommending to pay attention just who's doing a number of filters greater than at least 10 signals, you know, because we are paying for the signals. For every signals will cost for a sum, so it should be at least some trading activity. Done. And a very interesting point regarding profit, what they made during all this period of time. So this is the signal. He trading 183 weeks. It's like almost 5 years, you know, and his total profit just $123. In the same time, he's asking $1,000 per month. So we'll check just the signal greater than, let's say he should make $1,000. Done. Then balance drawdown and the equity. Let's go like that. Number filters, it should be less than 40%, and also with the drawdown, no, we need percentage, correct? Okay, here, good. And also with the drawdown by equity in percentage, less than 40%. Yes. Then drawdown difference in percentage. This is the new criteria that we put, especially for avoiding signals with the martingale. I will explain you like shortly how it's working. So let's say you have a chart, you know, chart of your equity, and this is how you are trading. This is how you are trading. This is your balance, and then we will check the equity. You can see exactly that there is some differences between the balance and between the equity. It means in this point he was holding position in minus, so we will count the percentage of this difference between balance and the equity, and if it's high, 100% he's not using stop loss, he's using averaging and multiplier, and this kind of strategy for us is not acceptable at all. Who's watching my channel, you know exactly about that. Let us go to our Excel file, and recovery factor, like one of the key points, we will put here recovery, number filters at least greater than 3, then profit month, so how many months is from all he closed in plus, I will put greater than at least 70% from whole trade. Listen, those guys, they're asking few $1,000s for subscription. It should be like trading in plus. Done. And balance 1%. No, and profit pips per trade is also very important. We should put every time I'm telling you about that number of filters greater than at least more than 60 pips, because then it will be very difficult to copy. Done. So after our small filtration, how many signals left?
just few, you see? So this is the difference. And right now I will check them and I'll tell them, is it worth it to pay this kind of money, or just we need to search, continue searching the best signal just for the $30.
I'm recording this part before the actual vlog, and I want to do right now some conclusion. Why? Because I don't know even if I'll be able to record it in train, how much it's crowded will be, how many people will I have a chance or no. But what makes me really happy that after checking all these 10% from whole signals in MQL5 website by doing some filtration and checking them one by one, first of all, there is no subscribers, maybe just few of them subscribe for $100, $150, but not more. Number two, there's some nice product, but nothing excited, you know, that you should pay this much money. So I will make another video when I will tell you exactly my recommendation for the portfolio, and you will be able easily to choose them from this 70% that asking just $30-$35 for subscription. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will understand what does it mean, like cost effectiveness or value for the price. And every time when you will think to spend something, you need to ask yourself, is it valuable, or there is no point to pay attention on it at all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.